Hi Taurus, welcome back to my channel. This is your daily love tarot reading, Taurus, for your general energies, career situation, and relationship. We are picking few cards, so these are for your general energies, Taurus. These cards are for your relationship, and these cards are for your career situation, Taurus. And today we will be picking one card for your moon energies. This will be the card, and one card for your oracle guidance. And Taurus, I request you to watch the reading till the end because at some point of this reading you will get the clarity you are expecting today. So let's start the reading with these cards. It's Page of Swords, King of Pentacles, and Four of Cups. So, in your circumstances today, Taurus, in your work or in your relationship, you are thinking about something. It may be some past memories, some failures in the past, and you're worrying about that, regretting that, and you're not aware of your present, what is happening today. So you're blaming someone or regretting your actions today. And instead of that, instead of worrying about your past, you must focus on your present, Taurus, because beautiful opportunities are coming your way. And you need to be courageous and step into something new that is approaching you instead of worrying or crying over what has happened. This may be true even for your relationship, Taurus. So, all that sadness, hurt, and pain, whatever you had in your relationship, is changing today. You are seeing glimpses of a change coming in your life. You are much better now. You have that emotional steadfastness, something that is giving you hope and faith, showing a bright future. You must focus on that instead of wishing and praying for what has been lost. That is not going to take you anywhere in your life, Taurus. And in your circumstances, you are happy for the way things are going in this love. You are happy to be here with them, but there is something on your mind. Maybe it may be your past experience, a bitter experience that you had. Today you see that you cannot trust this person or you cannot have faith in them because of the way they are. It may be their behavior or the words they are speaking. So something is making you doubt this person and you are in confusion. That may be the reason for this deep thought and lot of analyzing you are doing today. So we will see what are the cards for your relationship. It's Strength, Sun in reverse, and Devil. So though you are confident in yourself or confident about this love, there are certain things in this relationship. Maybe you have your doubts and your doubts may be right. Maybe this person has some secrets and you need to find out what are those secrets. Is it something concerning you, concerning this relationship? So you need to, what to say, you should not jump into any kind of conclusion because it may be some secrets they have and it may not have any impact on this relationship, and it is unnecessary for you to know all those secrets, because that is not going to change the way they feel about you, feel about this relationship. And maybe your past is clouding your mind, and that is the reason for troubles in this love, this lack of understanding, misunderstanding. But if you believe in them, and if you are what to say, ready to stand for this person, be courageous for this love, you will see that your will change circumstance will change for the better. Because whatever secrets they are holding, maybe it does not have any connection to you or to your relationship. So we will see what are the cards for your career situation. We have Queen of Swords, Swords in reverse, Three of Pentacles, and Ace of. So though you have that determination and you're working hard, you're working relentlessly, you are seeing some difficulties, Taurus. And with these cards, it just means that you need more focus and attention on what you do. And whatever success you're experiencing today, it is your teamwork, and it is not your achievements. So it is the work of your whole team. You must appreciate those people who have helped you, and you must feel that gratitude in your heart towards the universe for the blessings you are receiving today, and be really humble. That is going to help you today, Taurus. So that is the energy here with these cards. Let us see what is the moon energy for you all today. Show the world the real you, full moon in Aquarius. So with this card, the energy for you today is that you need to see your circumstance from a different perspective, because you may feel that someone is avoiding you, or it may be you avoiding someone because you feel that something is not right. You are having some doubts or confusions about this person, but you need to understand that just like you are unique, this person is unique in their own way, and that is what makes this relationship a special one. So when two different people get together and meet at that center point, that relationship is going to be so beautiful. But there are chances that something unexpected is coming your way today, Taurus. And you must allow things to unfold as it is in your life, and trust that only good things will come to you. And whatever is happening today is for the best for you. So this is the time for you to let go of all that expectations you have and see where things are going for you. So that is the energy here, the moon energy for you all today, Taurus. Let us see what is the oracle guidance. Fork in the road. So today you are making a very important decision, and it is not something right or wrong, but it is something that must be based on truth. So if it is a decision in this relationship, if you love this person truly and you want this relationship with them, and you are thinking of marriage and commitment, and you are working towards that, making that choice, then it is going to be good. But if you are here just to avoid being alone, and if you are not truly interested in this person, and if you see them as what to say, as a person to be with in the meantime, that is not going to help you or the relationship. So you must be true to your heart's desires and intentions. That is what this card is about. So what you truly want, you must focus on that and you must walk towards that, Taurus. So that is the energy here, the oracle guidance. So being authentic to yourself will help you. So it does not matter whether it is right or wrong. Being authentic is going to help you today. So that is the energy here for you all today. Thank you for watching. If you like this reading and if it resonates, please like and comment. I'll be happy to know what you feel about this reading. Thank you, Taurus. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.